we got this nice coastal breeze rolling in all day.
Yeah, Laguna is one of my favorite tracks. The Corkscrew obviously is one of the most iconic corners in the world when it comes to motorcycle tracks, car tracks. Everybody knows it. We're right by the beach, so this is the best track to come and not only race but spectate at. And racing's always good. You know, it's sick. You have one corner that's the fastest, you're dragging a knee, going 140 over the hill, hitting your elbow on cones, sliding. And then you have one of the slower corners, but you're dropping 8 stories. So it's just a sick track. You got a cool crowd that comes, lots of friends and family, and just always enjoyed coming here. Been coming here for 15 plus years now, and I'm stoked. I got the lap record, and we're trying to break it this weekend.
Turn 1 really is probably the gnarliest turn here for me. You know, you're going up there at 150, 160 or more, I think, and the bike's wheeling and sliding up over the top, and it's blind. So you just gotta hope you're in the right spot on the track, have a good turning point, and then right when you get up over the top, you're hard on the brakes down that hill into 2. So that's probably one of my favorite spots here for sure.
Yeah, taking the big bike through the Corkscrew, it's fun. You know, everything about the Corkscrew, it's such a fun turn. You go in there, everything's blind, and then obviously you drop, I don't know, 2 or 3 stories apparently. So yeah, it's such a fun feeling, you know, with that big drop going downhill. Definitely, probably one of the most unique sections of track in the world, I think. So pretty cool we get to race on it. When people talk about Laguna, they always have the Corkscrew, and I'm always telling them, like, oh, turn 1 is definitely the most crazy that we have here, and maybe one of the most crazy turns in the world, you know. We go in 5th gear, flat out, like 250 km. You can't see the exit in the corner, and the exit keeps turning, and you have to brake into 30, so it's just so hard to make everything perfect there.
What's it like to take the bagger over turn 1?
Turn 1 is a little scary on the bagger, I'm not gonna lie. When that front end gets a little bit light and she starts wiggling.
Well, for the bagger over turn 1, it's flat out 4th gear and not too dramatic. It's more that braking down into turn 2 that gets pretty hairy.
Turn 1 is awesome. 6th gear pin leaned over, burning the tire, just the bike's moving, and it's super fun.
Yeah, I mean, coming to Laguna Seca, I think the most spoken about corner is the Corkscrew, but corner 1 here is something else, you know, you 5th gear, almost flat out, cresting the hill thing. I mean, you're going to like 160 miles, 165 miles an hour with the thing wheeling and button on you, trying to push you wide. So yeah, that is probably the most trickiest corner to me, and it's definitely sketchy.